afternoon everyone. Today we will discuss about the science words. These are given at the end of your chapter. Today we will discuss science words of chapter 4. Chapter 4. Science words. These are science words at the end of the book. These are budding, fragmentation, regeneration, incubation, and gestation. So today we will discuss about these words. These are the budding, fragmentation, regeneration, incubation or gestations. First of all, we discuss budding. A new offspring develops from an outgrowth or bud of the body of the parents is called budding. What is the budding? Should I write here? A new offspring develops from an outgrowth or bud of the body of parent. Is called budding. This is clear. An example of budding: hydra, yeast. A new offspring develops from an outgrowth or bud of the body of parents is called budding. For example, hydra and yeast. Clear this definition? What is the meaning of budding? A new offspring develops from an outgrowth or a bud of the body of the parent is called budding. For example, hydra and yeast. Hydra and yeast reproduce by budding. A bulb-like projection formed on the body of an organism is known as bud. Now you see with the help of diagram. This is the yeast. A bulb-like structure is formed on the parent's body. This bulb-like structure is known as the bud. When the bud is mature, it is separated from its parent's plant and grow into new individual. Clear it? In the case of the hydra, same things. These are the tentacles. A bulb-like structure grow from parent's body After the mature, it will separate it from the parent's plants and grow into a new individual. New hydra, new yeast. Clear the budding? There is problem? I think there is no problem. Again, I am repeating this. A new offspring develops from an outgrowth or bud of the body of the parents. Now, new offspring, this is known as the new plant, is known as the new offspring, develops from an outgrowth. Here is the outgrowth, yeah, bulb-like structure. This is known as the bud of the body of the parents. This is the parent plant. Grow on the parent plant is called budding. After this maturing, it will separate it from the parent's plants and it grow into a new individual. Second is fragmentations. First we have discussed budding and second is fragmentations. The body of the parents break down into the fragments and each piece can grow into a new offspring. What is the definition? The body of the parents breaks down into fragments and each fragment grow into a new individual. Clear it? The body of the parents breaks down into fragments and each fragment grow into a new individual or get into a new offspring. For example, flatworm. Flatworm or planaria. Clear? Now I am drawing diagram of the flatworm. See what happened. This is the flatworm. Here start of fragmentations. There is 4 pieces formed. Clear? Fragmentation is complete. Fragmentation is completed here. Fragmentation is complete, and second is regeneration start. They grow into a new individual. There is one flatworm. It divided into the 4 parts, and here is the fragmentation is completed, and one piece grow into 4 pieces. This is known as the regeneration. Clear? Again, fragmentation, the body of a parent breaks down into fragments. Each fragments grow into a new individual. The body of the parents break down. This is the body of the parents, and break down into the fragments. These are the known as the fragments. These pieces, and each fragments. Each fragments grow into a new individual or new offspring. These are the platform.